Hey everyone, today I want to share my experience with this new shower panel I bought and the unexpected challenges that came with it. From getting it for free on Amazon to a 3D printing adventure to make it actually work, this is one journey you don't want to miss. So I was browsing Amazon and found this really cool looking shower panel. Thanks to some points I had, I basically got it for free. Great start, right? A few days later it arrived. And here comes the first surprise. The shower inside the box looked nothing like what I saw online. It wasn't the traditional style at all. Instead, I got this advanced looking shower panel with a digital water temperature display. Honestly, it looked cooler than expected, so I decided to give it a shot. I started assembling it just to understand the parts before installing it on the wall. That's when I hit the second, much bigger surprise. The water output connector on the panel didn't match my standard 3-4 inch head shower pipe. It was somewhere between 1 to 4 inch and 1 to 2 inch. Like seriously? I searched everywhere for a converter. Nothing worked. It was not a standard size. So I went full DIY mode. I found a 3D model for a 3/8 male to 1/2 female adapter and started tweaking the design myself to match the weird size on the shower panel. I went through 5 different versions, tweaking, printing, testing. Finally, after a lot of trial and error, it worked. The adapter fit perfectly, and now the shower panel connects to the standard pipe without leaks. This shower panel turned out to be way more advanced than expected, and now it actually works with my setup. It was a headache, but also a fun learning experience. If you're into DIY 3D printing or solving weird home problems like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you've ever faced something similar.